Hey, it's your girl Janiyah Leah, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be installing this wig from Xrsbeauty. And so the wig that I'll be installing today is this cute single knot lace wig, y'all. And I just love the fact that they sent me this wig with braids. And so a huge difference between single knot and double knot wigs is the fact that single knots are apparently smaller in size, easier to bleach, and give you a more like realistic and like natural appearance when you install the wig, whereas double knots typically you have to let them bleach a little longer, and the knots in the lace will also be bigger and much more apparent as well. So yeah, and so an example I can show y'all would be both of these wigs are somewhat bleached, but you can see like on this one you can't really, on this one you can't really see the knots as well as you can see them on this one. Like you can basically see, you know, the root part and see every bit of hair strand and all that type stuff. And so I guess that's like the benefit of single knots, is that since the knots, which are like basically where the hair is attached to the lace, they're a lot smaller, which means they're a lot harder for you to see, and your install comes out looking more natural and cleaner. And these types of wigs are also a whole lot more affordable, so you're paying less than you would for a regular wig, and they're more suitable for beginners because they don't require as much like customization as like other wigs do. So you won't have to pluck as much, do all the customizing and whatnot. So anyways, so in the box they sent me some flexi rods, a wig cap, a comb, and an edge brush. And so without further ado, let's get into this video.
My own world, that's where I'll stay. Tries to test me, I take it one day at a time. Cause I was crying yesterday, but look at me today. It has been so long since I wrote a sad song. Sunshine on my face, I'm feeling okay. Nothing's in my way. There's always room for better days. Now I know how to live life with a smile on my face. Nothing ever stays the same. There's always room for better days. I was crying yesterday, but look at me now. Cause I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Say I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no harm in me. With what you're going through, I wanna be there at the rain on my window. I feel the tears coming soon. You're lying next to me, and I guess I've been lying too. We had a fire that became smoke. Breathed it in till we both choked. Thought that love could be enough for the both of us, but we know that just ain't true. I found the courage today, so please don't ask me to stay, 'cause I can't keep holding on to you and me, but it's so hard to see how I'll stop loving you, loving you, loving you. There will always be a little piece of you that's left with me, that keeps on loving you, loving you, loving you. I got my things in the front seat. I left your keys in the bedside drawer. We put this off for way too long, and now it hurts just that much more. There comes a point when you realize that together don't feel right, and giving up don't mean my love is gonna leave when I walk away. I found the courage today, so please don't ask me to stay, 'cause I can't keep holding on to you and me, but it's so hard to see how I'll stop loving you, loving you, loving you. There will always be a little piece of you that's left with me, that keeps on loving you, loving you, loving you. Rain on the window, tears coming soon. You're lying next to me, and I've been lying too. Rain on the window, tears coming soon. I can feel the tears coming, oh, but I just can't see how I stop loving you. Loving you. Oh, but I can't, 'cause I can't keep holding on to you and me, but it's so hard to see how I'll stop loving you, loving you, loving you. There will always be a little piece of you that's left with me, that keeps on loving you, loving you, loving you. Rain on the window, tears coming soon. You're lying next to me, and I've been lying too. Rain on the window, tears coming soon. Oh, but I just can't see how I'll stop loving you. Loving you, loving you, loving you. Loving you, loving you, loving you.
Okay, y'all, here is the final look. And first of all, get into the lace, y'all. This is probably the best install that I've done in a minute. Like, oh my gosh, I really do like it. And I just feel like the braids in the middle, I would have probably never even thought about doing that. But you guys, the hair is so soft. I want to say, I don't know exactly how. I'll put all the information about this exact unit, the link, the color, everything in the description box down below. But y'all, this wig right here, yeah, I like this wig. So hopefully this video helped y'all out, inspired y'all, and hopefully y'all are gonna go check out this wig. The link is in the description box below. But y'all, I'm just like in awe right now. I really am. But anyways, you already know, click smash that subscribe button down below, and I will see y'all on my next video.